Every month, a single department at a mid-sized American e-commerce company processes 127,000 customer support tickets. There are exactly 0 human beings doing the work. This operation is fully active, having moved past the testing and pilot phases in early 2023. In its very first year of full implementation, the transition away from a human workforce saved the company $4.2 million. That financial return is the reason 40,000 business operations directors around the world are currently studying this specific case. In 2022, the company employed 38 customer support agents. Each person was expected to manually handle between 60 and 80 tickets every single day. Under that load, response times averaged 11 hours. Customer satisfaction scores stalled at 67. Maintaining this department cost the company $340,000 every month for a performance level that consistently fell below industry standard. In March 2023, leadership finalized a solution that split internal opinion. Human Resources described the plan as reckless, and the operations director called it the most uncomfortable meeting of his career. The chief financial officer, looking at the same data, called it the only logical conclusion. The company issued severance packages to 34 of their 38 agents, shifting their collective workload to a single artificial intelligence system. Processing this volume of consumer data manually had simply exceeded the threshold of human biological capacity. Standard assumptions about AI support often center on outdated chatbots, rigid scripts forcing users to press 1 for billing or 2 for returns. This system operates on a different logic. Modern support architectures are trained on millions of real customer conversations. They parse the explicit request while simultaneously interpreting the underlying emotional state of the user. When a user types a message in all capital letters, the system recognizes the demand for immediate emotional acknowledgement. It responds with empathy first and a resolution second. It continuously evaluates more subtle behavioral inputs, weighing word choice, analyzing sentence length, and the exact response time. If a customer takes 4 minutes to reply and then sends only 2 words, the system flags the behavior as disengagement and shifts its communication strategy to re-engage them. The system's success comes from its ability to scale emotional intelligence, maintaining a level of consistent, empathetic response that a human worker cannot physically match. To resolve a standard complaint, a person has to manually cross-reference order histories, parse previous complaint patterns, and review detailed product specifications across multiple software windows. This chart highlights the operational contrast. The AI evaluates that identical set of language, order history, and product data simultaneously. A screen switching process that takes a human 7 minutes is executed by the system in 2.8 seconds. This mathematical approach removes biological vulnerability. A server rack does not experience the emotional exhaustion or efficiency decay that often occurs during the final hours of a human shift. It also removes the risk of common manual mistakes, such as processing a refund to the wrong account because the operator was momentarily distracted. 6 months after the deployment, the average ticket response time fell from 11 hours to 47 seconds. Customer satisfaction increased from 67% to 91%. Removing human biology from the customer service equation delivered a measurably superior product experience while reducing operational costs by 81%. Corporate press releases rarely detail the true, long-term outcomes for the human beings who previously occupied these desks. Of the 34 agents terminated in March, 19 secured new employment within 3 months. After 6 months, 9 were still searching. 6 decided to retrain for new industries, 2 of whom now work as AI implementation consultants. The individual outcomes of those 34 people are part of a much larger economic pattern. Their termination was not an isolated event. McKinsey projections show the true scale of the shift, with 12 million workers in customer-facing roles facing direct displacement by artificial intelligence by the year 2030. This case study serves as the active blueprint for a global workforce restructuring that has already begun. Navigating this shift requires answering one specific question. Does your daily work require you to understand context that changes unpredictably? Systems built on machine learning are exceptional at depth. They possess more comprehensive knowledge of product policies and process optimization than any human being. Where the programming still struggles is breadth. managing a customer who is simultaneously confused, volatile, and describing a technical issue that has never historically occurred. Today, human operators retain a distinct advantage in cultivating long-term trust with high-value clients and successfully navigating politically sensitive internal escalations. The third remaining advantage is the capacity to make nuanced judgment calls. Situations that require complex moral reasoning cannot currently be solved through mathematical optimization. This chart visualizes that shrinking reality. The e-commerce company still employs 4 human support agents to handle cases the AI flags as requiring human judgment. In 2019, those cases accounted for 100% of their volume. By 2024, it covers 3%. Professional security now belongs to those who can exercise judgment under novel conditions, an AI has never seen before.